In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text t-shirt designs on Canva. First, go ahead and log into your Canva account. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on Create, and a pop-up window will appear. In the search bar at the top of that pop-up, type in shirt. Canva will show you several t-shirt options and templates. For this tutorial, choose the basic t-shirt option. This gives you a blank shirt layout that's perfect for simple text designs. Wait a moment for the editor to load. When the editor opens, look again to the left panel. This time, click on Text. On the text panel, select Add a text box. A new text box will appear in the middle of your canvas. Click inside that box, highlight the placeholder text, and type the words you want to appear on your t-shirt. You can drag the text box around to position it where you want on the shirt area. With your text selected, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This is where you'll customize the look of your design. Start by choosing a font style from the first drop-down. Pick something that matches your message, bold and blocky for strong statements, or script fonts for something more playful or elegant. Next, adjust the font size so the text is large enough to stand out on a shirt, but not so big that it touches the edges. Click the color icon to open the text color panel on the left, and choose a color that will print well on your shirt color. Solid, high contrast colors usually work best. Moving along the toolbar, you can make the text bold, italic, underlined, or even strike through. You'll also see options for making the text all uppercase, changing the alignment, and turning it into a list if you need that. There's an icon that opens advanced settings where you can adjust letter spacing and line spacing. This is useful for tightening up your design or giving it more breathing room. You can also change transparency, though for t-shirts you'll usually want solid, opaque text. If you click Effects, a panel will open on the left with different text styles like shadows or outlines. Feel free to try these, but keep in mind printability and readability. There's also an Animate option, but since this is for a physical shirt, you generally won't need animation. Finally, use the position controls to arrange your text precisely and make sure it's centered on the shirt. When you're happy with your design, go to the top right and click the Share button. From the drop-down, choose Download. Set the file type to PNG, and if you see the option for a transparent background, make sure that is turned on. This is especially important if you don't want a solid rectangle behind your text when it's printed on the shirt color. Adjust any quality settings if available, then click Download and wait for the file to save to your device. Once the download is complete, your text t-shirt design is ready to use. You can now send that PNG file to your local print shop or upload it to a print-on-demand service and start turning your design into real shirts.